Dansoy. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to my kitchen. We're gonna make a green chili steak sandwich. This one is no cooking required as long as you buy the beef strips that are already cooked. All you have to do is warm them in the microwave because they're pre-cooked, and you can just throw this all together. It's a quick 3-minute to 5-minute recipe. So we got the beef strips that are already cooked. So like I said, you're going to put those in the microwave for 2 minutes. We got the tortilla strips, 2 packages. We got 2 French rolls. We got green aioli paste. It's like mayonnaise. We got fajita seasoning. We have 2 pieces of provolone. Excuse me for the slices in it. It broke apart. And we have arugula. So this is really like a really quick thing. Only 3 to 5 minutes, but like I said, as long as you buy the beef strips that are already cooked, you don't have to really cook anything. If you want, you can make your own steak and then use it in here. So we're gonna start by we'll start by warming the beef strips, and then we'll take the rolls and put them on a plate, and we'll top it, and then we'll throw it in the microwave really quick just to warm it. And we'll be all set. Be back. So we're back. We got the rolls on the cutting board. We have them split, and we have the steak. Like I said, this is pre-cooked. We're just going to stick this in the microwave for 2 minutes and warm it up, and then we're going to add the fajita seasoning on top, and then we'll make the sandwiches and then throw it back in the microwave just to melt the cheese. Alright, so we're back. The meat is definitely done. That was about 6 to 7 ounces of pre-cooked steak. You'll notice now I only have 1 roll. It's a French roll. For demonstration, it's just easier to work off of 1. So that's done. We're going to take the fajita seasoning. Use whatever fajita seasoning you want and just sprinkle it over. Sorry, blooper. And just mix it. So but you can use whatever fajita mixture you want. Whatever is for your taste. Let's mix this, and then we'll be back to top the roll, put the provolone on there, and we'll nuke it again. Sorry for the bloopers. This is live cooking, so want to keep it real, and be back. All right, so we got the pre-cooked steak on there, and we're gonna just take this green aioli. It's like a mayonnaise. You can either buy it or make it yourself, but you just want to top the steak with that, and it'll give it a kick. So we're back. We have that mayonnaise on there, and now we're going to just add the tortilla strips. So you're going to just put them on there. If you can't buy the bags of tortilla strips, just buy chips and make them yourself. So we have the strips on there. Now you're going to want to take the provolone and just place it on top. You can see how that sandwich came together, and it's pretty quick. You're going to take the arugula, and you're going to just put that on there. And all these ingredients are to your taste. No one can tell you what to do. It's all up to you. You're the cook. But there's that sandwich now. We're going to just put the top on, and we'll throw it in the microwave really quick. So we're basically done. There's that steak sandwich with provolone, arugula, the green aioli. And now we're just going to stick it in the microwave for like 30 seconds. Just give it a kick. Try to melt that provolone just a little bit. But you can always add time. You can't take away from time. So do it in 10 or 20 second increments. So we're back. The cheese all melted. I didn't want to overdo it. I could have probably put it in for another 10 or 15 seconds, but this is perfect for me. So there's your sandwich. You can actually see how the cheese is gooey. That's the way I like it. But yeah, that's your steak sandwich. It takes less than 5 minutes. But there's your sandwich. you can see the gooey cheese, and that's nice French roll. So you can see how gooey it is, the cheese. But that's basically your sandwich. It's not the most pretty, but it tastes good. And if you want, you could always add like the Roma tomato salsa I just made. They go together. So I just added some of the Roma tomato salsa I made before. So I have the steak sandwich and the salsa. So that's a good meal. This would definitely cook for 2. If you want to cook for 4, you know, you just have to double everything. But that's basically it. Hungry, can't wait to eat this. But thanks for visiting my channel. Thanks for coming to my kitchen again. Hit the bell for updates. Please subscribe, and you can see me at this channel and my other channel. This channel right here, I'll bring only food and like recipes, food reviews. My other channel is diverse. It has many different things. But happy Easter, happy Passover, God bless, peace out, Dansoy.